What's popping, everyone? Markus is coming back at you with another video. Today I will be talking about why 99% of all Shopify stores is gonna fail and how the fuck that you're gonna succeed with yours. I'm gonna give a bit of tips how I've made mine into a success, or well, I think mine is a success, and then I will jump into my computer and show different strategies. So stay tuned. So now into my computer. So how the fuck do you succeed with Shopify, and why does 95 or 99% of all Shopify stores fail? So first of all, oh, that's some fancy shit right there. Store layout and the feel of your store. It's really important when you import your product from Aliexpress through Oberlo or Shopify that you don't use the product description from Aliexpress. You need to write your own product description. Imagine if it was yourself coming into a store, you wanted to buy something real cool that you were interested in, and you come in and there's just like a normal Aliexpress product description. It makes your credibility and your trustworthiness a lot worse than if you have written a very good and manual product description. You can either have a VA write your product descriptions for like $5 or $10 an hour or something like that, or you can write your own. They don't have to be that long, just that you have written them yourself and that it's not from Aliexpress. You need to stand out from your competitors. So you want HD product pictures. So of course you want to have product pictures on your product page that looks amazing, so the people can see your product and it looks great. And the number one thing you want to make sure is that your store looks great on mobile, because 80 to 90, I guess mine's like about 75 or 80% of my traffic comes through the mobile devices. So it's really important that your store looks great on mobile. So you want to optimize it for mobile, and then you want to create some scarcity and urgency on your store using an app like Hurrify from App Store. It's only like, I guess, $7, I think. Very worth it. So you can create something like 50% for 24 hours, or there's only 8 left, and then it like goes down each 12 seconds. Very great app. Got huge results with it. You wanna, of course, try to make a brand out of your store. You need to have a logo, like your menus, your collection needs to look beautiful, and all these different kind of stuff. So that's a bit of like the store and layout I would really recommend you to do. Then the product research, or the niche. The number one thing for making your sales is actually just having a great product. So you may be thinking like, what the fuck is a great product? Well, it all comes down to what your audience is. So if you have a niche and you're in the pet niche, of course you want to target people who love pets. No shit, Markus. But you want to find products. You want to consistently try to make product research. I have videos about that as well, like 4 to 5 different ways to find great products. So I will link that in the description box below. But you really need to have a great product. Like, that's it. So it's more like today in dropshipping, it's the product which makes the store, and not the store which makes the product. So when you find your winning product, which will give you that fucking Lambo, then you take that product and you create like a new store maybe, or you find upsells and downsells for that specific product. So let's say you got a dog ring, like a ring with a little paw on it. People going nuts from it. You get good engagement on Facebook, stuff like that. You have made flex targeting. Then you want to find like upsells and downsells. An upsell could be maybe like a necklace, which is a bit more expensive, but it has like a little dog on it as well. So you want to find products that correlate with your main product, which is your main and winning product on the store. And this way you can increase your AOV, average order value, and this will increase your revenue a lot. Of course, yeah, as I have written right here, you need to stay in your niche. If you've got a niche store, it's very bad to go if you have like a pet store and go in and add some kitchen accessories or kitchen gadgets. So I would really stay in your niche. Maybe you can make a general store. I have a general store. And then you can like combine different kind of products until that you find a winning product, and then you can take that winning product and branch out into a niche store. So yeah, that was about that. Some good shit right here with curtains and everything. So ads. So Instagram and Facebook ads is, well, a very hard shell to crack for a lot of people, but I've got some videos about that as well on my YouTube. so remember to check those out. But ads is the foundation of your traffic, because you will get some like free traffic and organic traffic, but the main source of traffic will be through ads, either Instagram shoutouts, Instagram ads, or Facebook ads. So the right product for the right audience. With this, I mean that you want to have, like as I mentioned before, if you have like a pet store, you want to find pet products and target it to the right audience. So you have a dog ring with a paw on it, of course you want to target people who like dogs, and for a ring I would target women. Maybe a bit younger audience perhaps, but that's the thing, you want to test out, you want to gather information, you want to learn information, you want to just try, keep and being persistent about your ads. If a product doesn't work, try another one, and eventually you will find that winning product which will change everything. So you want to make HD videos or pictures for your ads. You can make you can use a website called Canva, which is free. Very easy to use, very great for using to make Instagram shoutouts or Facebook ads as well. And I would recommend you using videos. You can just make a slideshow on Facebook or making your ad. You can like take in, I guess it's 3 to 10 pictures, which it will then shift between. Very great way. I've gotten good results with that as well. Or you can make like those videos in Premiere Pro or something like that, but that's a bit more advanced. And then you want to have an offering like save 50% so you get the people's attention, and you want to use emojis. The reason why you want to use emojis and videos or pictures and not just like straight up text, you don't want to have too much text but not too less of a text. And that the reason for this is that the human brain recognizes and sees pictures 60,000 times faster than normal text. So by having emojis you draw their attention, by having videos and pictures you draw their attention. They know exactly what you're talking about the minute that they sees it, because it only takes the brain 13 milliseconds to see and get the hang of what the picture is all about. And then the text is, maybe not 60,000 times slower, but anyway, you see pictures 60,000 times faster, or get the hang of it. Then the last one, we got the persistency. You really need to be persistent about your dropshipping store. So I see a lot of people, that's why they fail the 99 or 95%. You need to be persistent because you really just want to keep trying different ads, keep trying different products, and eventually you will find that banger of a winning product. So that's really, really important that you don't give up. Don't give up, keep grinding. Really. Okay, I guess I understand that it's really tough maybe with the resources, the amount of money that you need to use, but that's the reason you just want to use $5 ads. And when you find that product which gives amazing results, you can go ahead and scale it up, because maybe if you have limited resources of money, you want to maybe wait for that really, really good engagement on that one product that you can then go ahead and scale up. Or I would just use Instagram influencers in the beginning, because that will give you better results in the beginning when you haven't feeded your pixel on Facebook with any data yet. So try different things out. Don't get distracted or sad because of other success stories. Let them be your driven factor and let them give your more hustle, more grind. And don't get blown away by all these success stories like somebody saying I made 500,000 in a week or in a month and all these different types of things. They might have made $500,000 in a month, but that's after 2 years. Sometimes you don't want to take all the information you see in all these different kind of Facebook groups too serious. Well, lots of them are real, no doubt, but you need to take in account that they have watched a lot of videos, they've been in the game for a long, long time. So don't get sad or blown away about that. And then a really, really important tip that I used a lot in the beginning: watch videos on YouTube all day long. in school, at work. Just really get that knowledge you need to go out there and find that winning product, or go out there and make that perfect Facebook ad, or go out there and make that perfect store, Instagram shout out, all these different types of things. You can go in and follow different YouTubers. That's what I did in the beginning. Just go ahead and you can say their most popular videos and just watch them, keep learn new things, gather new informations, and then test new things all the time. So that's really important, that you don't give up and you just keep grinding, because eventually you will find that winning product. That's the number one thing why people fail. They go ahead, make one ad, find one product, they get shit engagement, they're like, fuck this, I'm out. Worst mistake you can make. So keep grinding. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I just had some different kind of criteria and strategies that you can go ahead and use to don't fucking fail in this game. So remember to subscribe, leave a comment if you got anything useful out of this video, and if you have any questions about dropshipping, I will be happy to answer all of them. Hit that nice looking notification button to be notified every time I upload a new video, and I hope you all will have a wonderful day. Bye.